are some tips for creating a great resume as a fresh graduate architect. Focus on the relevant information. As a fresh graduate architect, you may not have a lot of work experience to include on your resume. Instead, focus on relevant information such as your education, design projects, internships, and any other relevant experiences. Emphasize any skills or achievements that are relevant to the job you're applying for. Use a clear and concise format. A clean and easy-to-read format is essential for a great resume. Use headings, bullet points, and a consistent font to make your resume easy to scan. Keep it to one page if possible. Highlight your design skills. As an architect, your design skills are essential to highlight. Include any design projects you've completed, and describe your role in the project. Be sure to highlight any relevant software you're proficient in. Showcase your teamwork and communication skills. Architecture is often a team-based profession, so it's essential to highlight your teamwork and communication skills. Include any collaborative projects you've worked on and describe your role in the project. Emphasize any experience you have working with others, such as team projects, group presentations, or internships. Customize your resume to the job. Customize your resume to the specific job you're applying for. Read the job description carefully and make sure your resume highlights your relevant skills and experiences. Use keywords from the job description and show how your skills and experience align with the employer's needs. Include a strong objective or summary statement. An objective or summary statement at the top of your resume can help grab the employer's attention. Use this statement to summarize your qualifications and what you can bring to the role. Overall, creating a great resume as a fresh graduate architect requires focusing on relevant information, showcasing your design skills, teamwork, and communication skills, and customizing your resume to the job you're applying for. There are several reasons why you may want to choose PDF as the format for your resume. PDF files can be opened and viewed on almost any device, including smartphones, tablets, and computers. This ensures that potential employers can easily access and view your resume, regardless of the device they are using.